What's up, everybody? It's your boy Jesus Rodriguez from Watch the Matter with me. And look what came in the mail. New watch, guys. New watch. I'm about to do an unboxing, and this is part of the review of the micro brand series that I've been doing, or that I'm gonna do, and I'm excited to show you guys what's in here. But before we get started, guys, please give the channel a like, give it a comment, and subscribe, please. I mean, I pay for this with my own money for your entertainment. You know, I have fun doing this, but please like, follow, and subscribe. I would appreciate it. And let's get started. Alrighty, guys, before we start, quick little wrist check. Got the Longines Zulu time on so I can get it to focus. There it is, and let's get started. Alrighty, so this actually came in the mail yesterday. What is it? Da-da-da. Okay, see here, this must be the gift. It advertised a gift with the purchase of my order. Let's check it out. What is it? Looks like a watch roll, you guys. And oh, there's the brand. So now you can see what brand watch we're going to be taking a dive here today. And wow, this is a really nice watch roll. We'll get to this in a second. Nice little sticker. And this is the watch I got, you guys. This is the watch I got to bring to you guys to the channel. This is the S5 Tradition Field, and this is a watch is actually inspired by the Rolex Explorer 1. As far as design, let's take a look. So this is the first time I'm seeing this, just like you guys. Oh, nice. Check that out. Really, really, really nice. I did buy the upgraded bracelet. Check that out, guys. The Vaer S5. Let's get closer. Alrighty, here it is up and close, guys. Like I said, this is the Vaer S3 40mm. As you can see here, it has a brush finish. It comes originally on this rubber strap that I could see has some quick release pins, but I opted to upgrade the bracelet. I got the metal bracelet with it, and oh man, this is a nice this bracelet has some nice heft to it right here. Feels really good. Has solid end links, as you can see here. Nice. Impressed by the bracelet. Very impressed by the bracelet. But here is the watch. Let's go ahead and take off the film. One of the most satisfying part of opening a new watch. There it is. This does have a sapphire crystal, a screwed on crown, and like I said, it's a 40mm with a 20mm lug to lug. Those are just the specs I remember off the top of my head. Let's take this guy off here. And there it is, guys. Let's take off the Zulu and put it on for the first time. We'll do a quick little wrist roll here. So here it is on a 7.5 inch wrist, and I gotta say, it fits my wrist great, and this rubber strap is extremely comfortable, guys. Extremely comfortable. I'm excited. I'm gonna be wearing this today. I don't know if I will put it on the bracelet today, just because it's early in the morning. I gotta get ready for work. But here it is. I mean, let me know what you guys think. Did you guys like it? Pretty sweet that they sent a watch roll with it. Never had a watch roll. I guess I have a watch roll now. As you can see here, it comes with 3 slots for 3 different watches. But pretty cool stuff. Let's put it on the watch roll. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think. I will be giving you guys a good, honest review on this watch here pretty soon. In the next coming month, I'll wear this for probably every day for almost a month to bring you guys a good, honest review. And let me know what you guys think. Now, I do want to say thank you to Vaer, because I reached out to them because I wanted the 36mm version of this watch, and unfortunately, it was not available, and they didn't know when it was going to be available. And there was only 4 of this watch in stock as of right now, and they actually for the inconvenience, they gave me a 20% coupon for it. I'm being totally transparent, and so in that case, thanks Vaer for that one. But here it is, guys. You'll see it on the wrist on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me at Watch Matter with me. I'll link it down here, and thank you guys for watching.